Hey fur parents, we all want the best for our pets, and that starts with healthy, nutritious treats that they'll love. Meet Whiskers and Wags, a natural and eco-friendly goodness for your furry friends. First, we have the freeze-dried vegetable treats, made from fresh, locally grown squash, sweet potato, and carrots. These treats keep all their important nutrients through freeze-drying. They're great for digestion, support pet health, and have a crunchy texture that pets enjoy. So, why choose Whiskers and Wags for your pets? We are 100% plant-based and made from fresh natural vegetables. Our product is great for digestion and is eco-friendly, with reusable packaging and locally sourced ingredients. Plus, every purchase helps support local farmers and animal shelters. Next, for picky eaters, we have the powdered veggie mixer. It's a healthy vegetable blend that adds both taste and nutrition to your pet's food. Just sprinkle it on their meal for an easy nutrition boost. Healthy pets are happy pets. Give them the natural goodness they deserve with Whiskers and Wags.